Hi everyone! Today we're diving into a powerful tool that's often overlooked by businesses, organizations, and communicators Wikidata. If you want to boost your online visibility, improve your SEO, and contribute to a global knowledge base, this video is for you. Stick around to learn why and how to use Wikidata strategically. Let's get started. First, let's clear up what Wikidata is and how it differs from Wikipedia. Wikipedia is the online encyclopedia we all know, detailed, text-based articles written in a neutral tone. Wikidata, on the other hand, is a structured database. Instead of long articles, it stores data in what we call triplets. Think subject, property, and value. For example, Apple Inc., founded by Steve Jobs. Here's the kicker. You don't need a Wikipedia article to have a Wikidata entry, making it more accessible for companies and individuals. Both projects are run by the Wikimedia Foundation, but Wikidata's data powers not just Wikipedia, but also Google, ChatGPT, and other platforms. It's a goldmine for visibility. So, why should your company, organization, or even you as an individual care about your data? Let me give you three big reasons. Number one, visibility. Wikidata feeds the infoboxes you see on Wikipedia pages, which get millions of views. Plus, tech giants like Google, Bing, and ChatGPT pull data from Wikidata to enrich their search results. That means your information could appear in Google's knowledge panel or AI responses, boosting your online presence. Number two, SEO and GEO. Wikidata structured data is search engine friendly, helping you rank higher on Google. It also supports schema.org tags, which can land your business in those coveted knowledge panels. And with generative AI like ChatGPT on the rise, optimizing for generative engine optimization, or GEO, is a game changer. Number three, global impact. Wikidata supports over 280 languages and is free for everyone to use. By contributing, you're part of a collaborative open project that reaches audiences worldwide. It's a win win. Now you might be wondering, can I get on Wikidata? The good news is the criteria are more flexible than Wikipedia's. To qualify, you need to meet at least one of these. First, a valid link to a Wikimedia project, like an existing Wikipedia or Wikivoyage page. Second, a clearly identifiable entity. Think person, company, or product, backed by reliable sources like press articles or public databases. Third, a structural need, like filling gaps in existing Wikidata entries. If you tick any of these boxes, you're really likely eligible. Don't worry if you don't have a Wikipedia page yet. Wikidata is a great starting point. Ready to get started? Here is a quick guide to creating your Wikidata entry. Step 1. Sign up for a free Wikidata account. It's quick and mandatory. Step 2. Use the search bar to ensure no entry exists for your entity. Step 3. Click Create a new item and add key details like a label description and structured data, things like your company's founding date, website, or social media links. Step 4. Add reliable sources like news articles or official websites to back up your data. Step 5. Upload a royalty free image like a logo via Wikimedia Commons. And finally, link your data to existing Wikidata entries, like connecting your founder to their own page. One big rule: be transparent. Declare any personal or professional connection to the entity you're editing. As a Wikipedia consultant, I can help ensure you follow these guidelines perfectly. Already have a Wikidata entry? You can update it yourself. Just go to your entities page, click Edit in the top right, and update the information one field at a time. Always use reliable sources and stay transparent about your connection to the entity. It's straightforward, but if you need help, my team at WikiConsult is here to guide you. And that's how you can unlock the power of Wikidata for your business or personal brand. From boosting visibility to improving SEO and contributing to a global knowledge base, Wikidata is a tool you can't ignore. Want to get started or need expert help? Check out wikiconsult.com for professional Wikipedia and Wikidata support. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for more tips on mastering online presence. Let me know in the comments how you're using Wikidata and what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.